都可以剪的，没问题。
可以这样。
我。
Hi everyone, this is Jack from APS, and today I will be very glad to introduce to you our self-developed industrial palletizer robot. And let's take a look. First, as you can see how big our robot is, and which means it has a very large capacity of loading. So let's go and take a look. You see, it has multi-function, which means it can grasp not only the boxes but also the stackers. You see, our stackers can also be grasped to there. And third, as you can see, our robot has 6 axes, which provided us with very much good flexibility of motion. So you can remove the boxes to not only this tunnel but also the tunnel on the left. So it has multi-function of